It's just one of those places you just gotta, like, when you stumble upon it and you find it, you're like, wow, how awesome is this? So I'm gonna come up here, set my chair out, just hang, just enjoy the view, enjoy the day, and just feel like I've, you know, like, amazing to stumble upon such a cool place. Look at that. Didn't get too much fishing today. Seemed like as soon as I got there, caught a couple small fish and then one decent fish, but decided to pack up and then started moving out and found this cool little dispersed camping area. It's starting to sprinkle, so I decided to have it set up. You can see like pretty much all the way around. It's just raining, which was the forecast for today. It's supposed to rain all day today, so I was kind of just hoping, you know, might be off a little bit, but went ahead and stopped, set up my tent. A rain fly, I mean. Guess I'm just gonna hang out here the rest of the night. Need to put some dry clothes on. It's chilly, it's like 55 degrees, and it's supposed to get down into the 30s tonight, so. But yeah, not a bad day overall. Fishing wasn't as great as I was hoping it was gonna be, and kind of went on my way to get there, but you take a risk every now and then, and it probably would have been better had I had more time, but you know, I only had like an hour and a half, and first spot wasn't great, and second spot looked promising, but the rain is here. All right, so got everything set up before the rain really started. Got a cooler full of beer. Really can't imagine a better way to spend a rainy day. I mean, that view is spectacular. No one around, out here basically in the woods, up top of a mountain, all by yourself. Yeah, got a solar shower that's not gonna be useful as a shower, but I can do my dishes tonight because I got 5 gallons of water that I can use to clean out my dishes real well, and I don't have to use my my filtered water. That's always a bummer because you get 1 liter a minute, and I told y'all that's a 23-liter jug. So when I've been down there for like 25 minutes pumping water, it almost kills me to have to use it to like wash a dish or clean out a pot or something. So I have 5 gallons of disposable water that I can cook with tonight. So tonight's gonna be good, but probably need to figure out what I'm gonna do tomorrow. I have no internet service, so I guess I'll drive back down the mountain. Got a couple places in mind, and maybe go fish, hopefully. We didn't get too much fishing today. That's okay, I'm not complaining. I'm out here all by myself, cooler full of beer, and I know the rest of the world would love to be doing what I'm doing. At least a large portion of the population, right? So, got a dry roof. It's shedding water well. As long as we don't get any lightning and hail, it should be fine. Could sit out here all night. Yeah, it's a good day. Okay, so this is a pretty cool camp spot, but it's kind of in the middle of nowhere. I passed several on the way in that, you know, had better views, but the rain was starting to kick up, so I was like, I just want to pick up some place just to sleep for tonight and then get started. But it's a cool, I mean, there's nothing wrong with it, right? But I knew there had to be a reason for this to be here. Most people don't just like take their time to, you know, make a camp spot like this, like, you know, out here for nothing. Like, this isn't like, not driving like to San Diego and we're like, oh, I just need a rest stop, I'm so tired, I just need to take a nap. But I mean, when you have a pull through like that, and looks like a place that people put like a small pop-up trailer or whatnot, and some other room. So I started digging around a little bit. There's a trail over there. You know, it's kind of cool view here. Not stellar, but started walking around, like some rope there, and like there's just too many signs of things for that this is a popular spot. I couldn't figure out why it was a popular spot, but I figured it out. So let's take a hike. So I think that tree, let's take this trail. I think this is the way I came. So you can't drive back here, but you can see why people like to camp where they're camping. That spot starts to open up and you have a fantastic view. I mean, I'm really hoping these clouds clear just a little bit enough, because check that out. I just want to bring my lounge chair here and just sit right here and drink a beer. That view is spectacular. I knew that camp spot was there for a reason. There's no reason for a campground to just be there. Like, somebody wants to pull in there and come out here, and now I understand why. You don't find these views everywhere. Camp there, walk out here, fill up your lounge chair. Man, that's pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. That's pretty incredible. So I have this all to myself tonight. And I'm thinking I'll go grab my chair here in a minute and come out here and just plop it down right here and just take in the view. How awesome is that? Does this not give you perspective to your life? Like, just, man, like, we are spec. Got my chair. Let's go hang out with a cool view for a little bit. I think honestly, like, I'm more impressed with this this camping spot than I am the fishing. 100% like it's been. Let's go this way. It's just one of those places you just gotta, like, when you stumble upon and you find it, you're like, wow, how awesome is this? But I think it's about time for dinner, so I'm gonna go ahead and start getting that ready. So tonight, I'm gonna do real food. I'm gonna get my stove out. And probably gonna need a real pot. And I'm not really sure what I got in the cooler. We'll check on that now. I think I'm gonna go with the little steak tonight. I hadn't had steak in a while. Man, we ran out of there just in time. Alright. And one thing I forgot to do was get out the vegetables. Get a slide of food on out here so we can see what that's about. And what sides do I want for tonight? I got chili. Steak and chili doesn't sound good. More chili. I got some kidney beans. Should have a bell pepper here. There it is. So we'll dice this up. Put some peppers in there. I think my onions are on the other side. Some potatoes, some onion, some bell pepper, and a little steak. A little pan seared steak. I think that'll be good. All right, potatoes in there. Time to make that boil. All right. So that's cooking. And while that's cooking, gonna grab a couple of potatoes left in there. Save these for another day. And the onion. That's not a good onion. The onion. Decent. Skin this dude. These are in the pan. Clean this off. Just camping and cooking in the rain. Save the rest of this dude for later. Got some steaks off. Steak. Salt and pepper. Hot. Salt to that. That. All right. Turn around for the steak. Wash my hands. All right, dinner is done. A little steak, some roasted potatoes, bell peppers and onions. Ooh, smells good. I'm ready to eat. That's good. Oh man, that is good. All right, that's all I got for today. Probably. If I have anything else, I'll throw it in there. But otherwise, if you got any questions, you can see my setup. It's working for me. Leave questions below. Leave your complaints below. Leave your meal suggestions below. This is definitely not a gourmet episode, but it's working out for me. Thanks for watching the video, guys.